Here are the 4 ways to transfer your Verizon eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. The first way is during the initial setup process. Bring your iPhones close to each other and you should be prompted to set up your new phone using your old phone. So just wait a second for that to connect. Then go ahead and scan the unique dot pattern to link the two phones together. And this will get things ready. We're going to tap Setup for Me. Enter the passcode of your previous phone on the new one, and then it should say setting up your iPhone. And now Apple is going to do a handshake with your iPhone and use unique identifiers on the device to activate it on the Apple services. Once that's done, you will have the option to transfer your number. And this is the first way to transfer your Verizon eSIM from your old phone to your new one. Simply tap Transfer Phone Number and go ahead and find your Verizon phone number. You probably won't have that many numbers, but I do. So go ahead, find your Verizon phone number, tap Continue, and then tap Transfer Number. You're going to be asked to confirm the transfer on your old device, so just wait a second. And it's going to prompt us to double-click the power button to confirm the transfer, so go ahead and do that. And once that's done, you can see your new phone says activating at the bottom, indicating it is activating on the Verizon network. This may take a couple of minutes. And there you go. Cellular setup complete. Your Verizon eSIM has successfully transferred from your old phone to your new phone. You can now continue with the rest of your setup and activation process. But what if this doesn't work? What if something happens during the initial setup, or you don't want to transfer your number immediately when you set up your iPhone? Well, then you want to try method number 2. The second way to transfer your Verizon eSIM is after your new phone is set up. Jump into Settings, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID, and then go to Cellular, tap Add eSIM, and then you should see a list of your phone numbers. Find your Verizon phone number, and then tap Continue. Tap Transfer Number. Then grab your old phone, and you should automatically see a pop-up prompting you to transfer the SIM. So tap Transfer SIM, and then you should be prompted to confirm the transfer by double-clicking the power button. Once that's done, your number should automatically transfer and you should be all set with your old device. And on your new phone, you can see at the bottom it is activating. It may take a couple of minutes and then it should be good to go. And there you go. Your cellular setup is complete. Your Verizon eSIM is now active on this iPhone. Tap Done and you're all set up. You can see your Verizon SIM there, and you can see more information about your data usage. But what if this method doesn't work for you? What if you go into your settings, you tap Add eSIM, and for whatever reason, you don't see your Verizon phone number listed here? Or maybe the process just fails. Well, then you'll want to use the third way to transfer your Verizon eSIM, and that is to use the My Verizon application. I'm quickly going to go ahead and transfer this phone number back to my old phone, and I'll show you exactly how to use the Verizon app to transfer your phone number. Okay, you can see the Verizon number is transferred back to the old phone. So here is method number 3, how to transfer your Verizon eSIM using the Verizon application. Go ahead, download the app and sign into your account, and then tap the Account tab at the bottom. Once this loads, scroll down until you see your devices, and then tap the device that you want to transfer the eSIM for. Scroll down on the device page until you see Device Management, and you'll see an option to activate or switch device. Go ahead and tap on that. On this page, you'll see 3 different options. You will see Activate, Change, or Replace your device. You will see Need Help with eSIM, and you will see Swap 2 devices between lines. What you want to tap is the first one up top, Activate on an existing line. Tap on that, and then Verizon is going to ask what line you want to activate on. So select what line you want to activate on and then tap Next. And now Verizon is asking for information about your device. Are you activating a device that was previously used on your account? Regardless of whether or not the device was used on your account, you want to select No, then tap Continue. Verizon will now ask to get your device IMEI. You can go and find this by going into Settings, scrolling down to General, tapping About, and then scrolling all the way down to the bottom. You will see 2 available SIMs. Simply take the first one, copy it, go back to the My Verizon app, and go ahead and paste that in. Now, something you'll notice is you'll get an error. This is because Apple formats your IMEI with spacing, so you want to go ahead and remove the spaces between the numbers. Once you have your IMEI pasted in and you've removed the spacing between the numbers, tap check device. And then boom, you'll instantly see a notification up top saying that we have a Verizon SIM ready to be installed. We're gonna finish the setup through the Verizon application, and then we should be able to go into settings and activate that. So now we're gonna verify by sending a message to our secondary phone, or I guess the phone that we're coming from. So go to your old phone and you should see a secure message from Verizon. Go ahead and enter that authorization code. Once you've entered the authorization code, tap continue, and then you're activating a 5G device. Great. This is such a terrible interface, Verizon. Oh my gosh. Then tap, I guess, continue. And then Verizon is going to ask if we want to add protection. No, get out of here, Verizon. Outrageous. Decline everything. If you decline protection, Verizon has the button say keep my protection. Nice. All right, well, tap keep my protection after you made sure to decline everything. Content transfer. All right, let's just get out of here. Hit the X. You'll get a summary of what happened. Verizon got the device info. They added equipment protection, which we declined, so hopefully nothing got added. Review the changes. You can see your old phone and your new phone. You can see that the total cost is $0. Thank you, Verizon. Once everything looks good, tap confirm changes. And there you go. Your eSIM activation has been processed. So now we can go to our settings application. We can back out of the device information. And if we scroll up, you can see an option to set up cellular. Go ahead and tap on that. Verizon would like to activate an eSIM on this iPhone. Go ahead and tap continue. And this should go ahead and transfer your eSIM from your old phone to your new phone. And there you go. Cellular setup complete. You successfully transferred your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. And the fourth way to transfer your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone is by using the Verizon website. Go ahead and sign into your Verizon account. And once you're signed in on the main page, scroll down until you see your devices and click on the device whose number you want to transfer from your old phone to your new phone. On the device page, again, just scroll down until you see the device management section and then click on activate or switch device. You'll have a few options here. Activate, change, or replace your device, need help with SIM, swap two devices between lines, bring your phone or activate on a new line. What you want to do is go to the first one and click activate on an existing line. And now Verizon will get some information about the device. They ask, are you activating a device that was previously used on your account? Regardless of what the answer is, you want to click no. Then click continue. Next, you're gonna get your device IMEI. And like before, you can find your IMEI by going into settings, scrolling down to general, tapping on about, and then scrolling down to the bottom. Just find the IMEI one, go ahead and copy that. And thanks to Apple continuity, you can just Command V, paste it into the field, and just delete these spaces between the numbers. Again, Verizon, update it, make your system work better. Once you have your IMEI entered, click check device, and now you need to verify your account. So verify using your phone number, click send. Now grab your old phone and you should get a text. Go ahead and enter that authorization code and click continue. Verizon will notify you you're activating on a 5G device, so just go ahead and click continue. All right, now we're getting a bunch of pop-ups, which I don't think we need, so hit the X button. And yep, here's a summary. You can review your changes, you can see your old phone, your new phone, and all you want to do is click confirm changes at the bottom. And there you go. Your request has processed. And if you go to your phone again, you can jump into settings. You'll see an option to set up cellular, tap continue, and this will transfer your eSIM from your old iPhone to your new iPhone. One more quick thing before you get out of here. If you've ever wondered how Verizon coverage compares to AT&T and T-Mobile, I recently launched a free application called Coverage Map that allows you to compare coverage between the networks. The cool part is you can tap on any hexagon and you'll see data speeds in that area. This is all crowdsourced data, so we're building the most accurate coverage maps available. You can also view signal strength data to compare coverage footprints between the different networks. The last favorite feature I have is the coverage search feature, where you can literally enter your zip code and you will see the best cellular networks in that area. In my area, it looks like Verizon is the best. So consider checking out the free Coverage Map application on the Apple App Store. It'll be linked in the video description. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.